The pituitary gland, often referred to as the master gland, is a small pea-sized organ located at the base of the brain. The anterior pituitary gland. Growth hormone, or GH, stimulates growth, cell reproduction, and cell regeneration. Thyroid-stimulating hormone, or TSH, stimulates the thyroid gland to produce thyroid hormones, which regulate metabolism. Adrenocorticotropic hormone, or ACTH, stimulates the adrenal glands to produce cortisol, which helps the body respond to stress. Follicle-stimulating hormone, or FSH, stimulates the growth of ovarian follicles in females and spermatogenesis in males. Luteinizing hormone, or LH, triggers ovulation and the production of estrogen and progesterone in females and stimulates testosterone production in males. Prolactin, or PRL, promotes milk production in breastfeeding females. Endorphins act as natural painkillers and are involved in the body's response to pain and stress. The posterior pituitary gland. Antidiuretic hormone, also known as ADH or vasopressin, helps regulate water balance in the body by controlling the amount of water reabsorbed by the kidneys. Oxytocin stimulates uterine contractions during childbirth and the ejection of milk during breastfeeding. It also plays a role in social bonding and sexual reproduction. The pituitary gland is regulated by the hypothalamus, which sends its signals to either release or inhibit hormone production. This intricate system ensures that the body's internal environment remains stable and responsive to changes.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for all notifications.